Hello, everyone. I'm here to talk a little bit about my new work. And what I've been doing is creating mantras, phrases that are reminders to me of what I want to focus on and how I want to live. And this piece is called Heal and Love. And this has been a big part of my journey. Healing and loving. So I just wanted to open up a little bit more about the process that I use to make this work. And in this video, I show a few nights of working on some phrases in my sketchbook. I draw the words out and then I take a picture of it, and I use some digital art making and combine different elements of nature and words, mantra, and I'm trying to create work that serves as a reminder of how I want to live, the reminders that I need to stay focused and centered, and ultimately share my love and gratitude with the world. So I hope some of you find that you connect with the work in the way that I do.